Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what is inside the Demaco power bank and how to completely disassemble it. It is a power bank of 20,000 milliamps with 3-port USB connectors. It is a very nice and portable power bank. Opening it is very simple. But before then, I hope you enjoy and appreciate my work with a like and subscribe. Now we don't need a screw, all you need is a sharp object. Try to separate the two clips and there you go. This power bank doesn't have any screws at all. With these batteries glued on the board, you can also use a knife or a flat object to unstick it. As you can see, it is very simple. With the 5 lithium batteries and a small board that has the 3 USB ports or connectors on it. So closing it is also very simple. Just directly opposite how it was opened, rearrange all the batteries, make sure you get the arrangement right, and with the right arrangement of the components, it is very easy to close it. It can be very tricky sometimes. Make sure you don't leave any parts behind while closing it. And there you go. Because this power bank is clipped together, the case, when trying to close it, you need to press it hard to make sure all the clips are set very well. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Also remember to hit the bell. Thank you for watching.